Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can update your iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and open up your mobile settings on your mobile phone. Once you open it, you will be appear with the several options. Scroll all the way down until you see the option called General. Once you found it, go ahead and tap on it. Now once you tap on it, here you can see the option called Software Update. Tap on it. Now here you can say whether it is up to date or not. So here in my screen you can see the update is available, so you can just select whether you want to update it now or whether you want to update it later. So you can just select one option, and here you have to enter your password again. Go ahead and enter your password. Now once it's done, the update request will be sent and your iPhone will be updated on the date that you have selected. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can update your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.